Which of the following clearly defines the policy of 3 Ps of Indian National Congress? **** Peaceful, patriotic, and progressive ***** Popular, pragmatic, and progressive ***** Peaceful, popular, and pragmatic ***** Popular, patriotic, and progressive ****. The correct answer is ***D, popular, patriotic, and progressive ****. The policy of 3 Ps was a strategy adopted by the Indian National Congress during the Indian independence movement. It aimed to achieve independence through a combination of **popular, gaining widespread support among the Indian people through mass mobilization and public awareness campaigns, **patriotic, promoting a strong sense of national identity and unity among Indians, **progressive, advocating for social and economic reforms, including the eradication of poverty, illiteracy, and social inequalities. This policy helped the Congress gain significant support and ultimately played a crucial role in India